All right, today we're gonna look at a more exotic, esoteric coin that comes in this really super beautiful, cool case with this etching and painted symbols on it. It's held together by a magnet, snaps up. The COA's inside the lid, issued by the Lithuanian Mint. 2 ounces, a little over 50 millimeters, big coin. Wait till you see the edge. Oh my God. Using new technologies in minting, you'll see partial gold gilded with a Swarovski crystal, 500 minted. All right, let's take a look. Let's get this puppy out of here. Check this out. We're gonna zoom in. Look at this amazing coin. Oh my God. Isn't this fantastic? Look at that edge. It's a snake. It's actually a snake, a 3D kind of snake, the Uroboros. Zoom in further. Look at these symbols. Look at these incredible, beautiful, usual esoteric symbols. Look at Doctor Who. You're gonna like this intertwined dragon. Check it out. And it's a snake. Yeah, it's the snake. On both sides, the rim is actually a 3D snake. There's high relief and incused engraving, all this celestial symbology and mathematics. So Nicolas Flamel was supposed to have discovered the Philosopher's Stone, or in search of it his whole life. He's a historical character that lived in France in the 14th century, supposed to have discovered the Philosopher's Stone, which was capable of indefinitely extending the lifespan of those who use it. I think that it was more kind of esoteric notions, but people could take it literal too. And the quest for turning metal into gold, granting immortality, elixirs of extending life. But I think they kind of knew or believed that the nature of the soul is eternal anyway. But so yeah, this is a great coin. I love it. Her Majesty the Queen on the other side. If you don't think the royal families were deep into mysticism and the occult, just go study John Dee, who coined the term British Empire and was like the father of navigation, was the royal family's mystic teacher. So I thought you would enjoy this unique coin. Hope you guys are having a great day.